Hello guys, we're making a 1x1 out of these. I don't know, I call them Duplo blocks, whatever you call them. I don't know what this is, but it's not the original color. It's just, see, it's just green and yellow. I just repeated it. So first things first, you need 3 yellow pieces and 3 green pieces. You put the yellow pieces like this. Then you do another cross for this, like that, and this. So you put it up. So you put it together, but if it doesn't fit, it's because you did it in the wrong order, like here. See, there's space. So what you gotta do, unless you want to make this better, you just swap sides like this. So you make it, see, the outside part is here now, and the 2 out part is here. So now you put this together, but it might fall, so you just put it in pieces like this. And then you could put it like that. And there it is. The 1x1 with only 2 colors. Good, right? See you next time with all these Rubik's Cubes how to make. Bye!